Hi everyone and welcome to Upskill. My name is Meryl and I'm here to teach you some BSL. What's BSL? BSL is British Sign Language. But first of all, I'd like to give you some tips that I found useful when I was learning. Tip number 1, don't rush. Slow down, it's not a competition. Tip number 2, use a lot of your body language. So a lot of smiling, a lot of frowning, and also make sure your hands are nice and clear. Hi. Hello. Bye. Bye-bye. Please. Please. Can I help you? I need some help. Can I help you? I need some help. How are you? How are you? I'm good. I'm good. Not good. Not good. Your name? My name. Thank you so much for watching this upskill video. I hope you enjoyed that. My name is Meryl. See ya.